Welcome to J&J's test video of a 9642. This is a 2006 LS430. Has a good nose on it. I just got the hood up in the air. Smacked down the side, lost a mirror, got hit in the back. Aftermarket wheels on it. Not too bad. Just some different motors. Has a pretty nice interior in it for the age. Climate control and all the stuff. Stuff's all worn out nowadays. Nice and quiet. Take it for a drive. Let me grab it up. All right. Somebody needed some hood struts. Just like every old Lexus V8, just works and runs and not too bad. Shifts, drives, all that. Radio works. It's Mark Levinson. Swing climate control works. Nav screen's in there. We'll see what it looks like when it comes out, if it's all nasty like that. New camera works. Gotta find where I'm at. Oh, look at that. I can actually use the camera. Alrighty, here's the 60. As always, thank you for watching, and have your pets spayed and neutered.